How to sign up for a Credit Karma account. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to the Credit Karma website. Once you are on the home page, click the sign up button. This will take you to the registration page where you need to enter some basic information. Next, provide your email address and create a strong password for your account. Make sure the password is secure by using a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. Then click on Sign Up. After that, fill out your first and last name, then hit Continue. Next, enter your street address, apartment number if applicable, state and zip code, then hit Continue. Now you will need to provide your social security number and date of birth. This information is necessary to verify your identity and securely access your credit information. After that, read through Credit Karma's terms of service and privacy policy. Once you understand and agree, check the box to accept the terms. Now click the Continue button to submit your information. Credit Karma will take a moment to verify your details. Once everything is verified, you will be logged into your new Credit Karma account where you can view your credit scores, reports, and personalized recommendations. Now you know how to sign up for a Credit Karma account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.